Another thing on our list is persistent cough. Cough for more than 3 weeks. Have you been coughing for more than 3 weeks? Cough has built a house in your throat for 3 weeks and more. That's no longer ordinary, whether it is dry cough, wet cough, or in between. Persistent coughing could mean more than just catarrh. So don't let it graduate to something serious. Go for a checkup. Better safe than sorry, my friend. Go get it checked and let's find out what is causing that nasty cough in your throat. This is Nurse Etta. Follow our page and like and share this if you like what we're doing. Let another person see it and join us here.